Hi, this is the video for my homemade sensory testing kit. My model is my sister Delaney. She's going to help me show off what is in my kit. Okay? So, to start things off, we have just a basic plain white towel for the patient to rest their arm upon, as well as a black eye mask, the kind you wear when you're sleeping, just to keep their vision covered during the sensory testing. Okay. So would you go ahead and put this on? Okay. So one of the first tests that we'll look at is for pain. So to do that, I have a typical golf tee. So the golf tee has a sharp side and a dull side. So we'll use that to test for sharp versus dull pain. So Delaney, just tell me if the sensation you feel is sharp or dull.
Sharp. Dull. Sharp. Sharp. Dull.
Okay, perfect. Next, we have the temperature sensation testing. So I just have two mini Tupperware containers. One is full of hot water and then one is full of ice water. So we'll apply that and see if Delaney can tell whether the container is hot or cold. Ready, Delaney?
Mm-hmm. Hot. Cold. Cold. Hot.
Perfect. Okay. And next we have the 2-point discrimination test. So for this one, I just have, show it against my shirt, a paper clip that I unbent and then rebent to form 2 points at the tip. Okay? So using Delaney's fingertips, we will test whether she can discriminate between 1 point or 2 points. So Delaney, you can tell me if this is 1 point or 2 points that you feel.
1 point. 2 points. 2. 1. 1.
Perfect. Okay. Next, we have light touch. So in place of the monofilaments that are typically used by occupational therapists, I have a variety of different threads. So I have a thin thread all the way over here. I have a thicker piece of thread, and then I have a rubber band that I have cut. So we'll start with the smallest thread. And Delaney, you can just tell me if you feel any light touch.
Okay.
So say yes when you feel a touch.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. And then moving up to the larger thread, say yes when you feel a touch.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. And then lastly, the rubber band, say yes when you feel a touch.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, perfect. Next, we have the test for stereognosis. So I have 4 objects that I found. So one is a tiny shell. We have a quarter. We have a baby binder clip, if you can see that. And then we also have a car key. Okay. So I have already shown Delaney these objects. She knows what they look like. So we are just going to start by having her vision covered, her palm open. I'm going to hand you an object and you just tell me what it is.
Okay. The coin.
Correct.
The key.
Correct. Whoops.
The shell.
Correct.
Baby binder clip.
Correct. All right, 4, 4, 4. And lastly, we're going to be using the same golf tee as before for localization of touch. So Delaney, I'm going to touch you on a certain part of your arm or hand, and I just want you to point to where I touch you, okay? Okay, perfect. So that is my budget-friendly home sensory kit for occupational therapists.